This was definitely one of my favorite ways to beat the heat this past summer, a neck fan. If you've never tried one of these, it's actually pretty cool. Literally. They do come in lots of different colors. In this one here, I have the green one, and does not take batteries. It comes with the cord to recharge it. Very simple to use, which is obviously my favorite. On the sides, you have your right and left, so you want to make sure that you put it on properly. And the power button is right here, and there are 3 different speeds. So I'm just going to go ahead and click it once. So right away, it's going to turn on. So this is the lowest speed we've got here. If we need to turn it up a bit, I can go 2. And then 3 right here, which is definitely my favorite. So this here on the inside, this is where it's suctioning in that air. And then all around my neck right here, it's just blowing this nice cool air around me. So yes, you do have this sitting on your shoulders, but honestly, we've all been there where you've got that sweat going behind your neck when it's too hot out. This just sits there. It's not heavy at all. Keeps you nice and cool.